Welcome to the research world. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to add even lines in Microsoft Word document. In the Microsoft Word, normally we draw lines manually like this, but it usually results in the uneven lines. So how to draw the even lines properly? Let's follow the steps. First of all, select your data, then right-click and select the paragraph option. Now click on the tabs option. First, you need to select a number in the tab position. That is basically the length of the line, that what must be the length of your line. For example, I am going to type 4 line length. This is the type of the line that you would like to draw. That is the dotted lines or even line, etc. I am going to choose even line. That is the provided in option number 4. Select it and click OK. Now take the cursor at the first option and press Tab. With a single tab, you can see there will be the addition of lines.